Be ready for commercial-scale single-use manufacturing. As you transition to commercial biologic manufacturing, BioReliance end-to-end solutions can be your full-service biologic CDMO partner with late-stage capabilities to help you prepare for production and bring your life-saving therapy to patients in need. From mammalian cell line and process development to GMP clinical and commercial drug substance manufacturing, our analytical methods development, validation, and testing are all done in-house. With more than 30 years experience in process development and 25 years in GMP manufacturing, we've helped bring more than 260 biologics to market, and we have released over 80 GMP drug substance batches using single-use technology. Our highly experienced team will help you to optimize, scale, and validate your manufacturing process and help you get to late clinical or commercial success. With communication and collaboration as top priorities, we'll listen to you at every step and provide tailored guidance and solutions on what you need today and stay successful tomorrow. We will provide global GMP commercial drug substance supply via our GMP commercial manufacturing facility in Martillac, France. Our 3 facilities across the USA, Europe, and China, as well as our industry-leading single-use technology, give us the flexibility to reserve slots for small batches or increase capacity for large ones in alignment with your timeline. Whatever the scale of your work, we'll build a flexible partnership based on scientific knowledge, operational excellence, quality, and regulatory compliance. Build the path that's right for you. We know that there are many routes to commercial success, so we consult with you to decide on the best approach, minimizing risk and maximizing efficiency for your key milestones. We have a deep understanding of market-specific regulations around the world and how they are changing, allowing us to cater to your specific manufacturing requirements. And if any point you need a tech transfer, we can facilitate with a direct, efficient, and robust process wherever you need to go. We are the CDMO partner to guide you down your chosen path based on expert counsel you can trust. We're ready for your commercial-scale single-use manufacturing.